There she is, all ready to go into the engine, or into the chassis. Engine's got a new aluminum oil pan, new polyurethane motor mounts. It's been painted. All the chrome was on there before. Put a new vibration damper on, because the other one, the rubber looked like it was split. Painted up all the pulleys. Painted the water pump. Painted the intake manifold. It's aluminum, but it was just so badly discolored in that I couldn't get it clean, so I painted it. It looks pretty good. With all the chrome, I don't know that it doesn't even look better than the aluminum did, or would have had I got it clean, because it might have been too much of the same color. At least I've got some contrast here. So she is all ready to hook up and drop into the chassis. And over on the bench here, we have a transmission with all new seals, except for right now I have yet to get a speedometer cable seal. That's the only thing. That'll take me 5 minutes to pop it in, and that guy will be ready to go into the chassis as well. It'll actually go in before the engine. Can't get a good picture of the transmission because it's on its side, and I want to leave it on its side because it's going to be easier for me to put in that seal. But it's got a new transmission mount. It's all been painted aluminum. So looks like things are getting ready to go back into the chassis.